Epic's hyper-realistic meta-humans can soon be animated using an iPhone. Epic will soon let you animate your meta-humans. Am I supposed to know about that I have these?
Yeah.
What?
You should know about it.
I didn't know I had these meta-humans.
Uh-huh.
The company...
Based on Unreal Tech.
Oh, my goodness gracious. This is incredible stuff.
Yeah.
Wow.
Scared or angry, but also subtle emotions. But sometimes all I need is a look.
Wow. Uncanny motion, some sort of motion tracking going on.
Yeah. So these are all fake people.
Of course.
They're generated. And they're using some sort of audio that a human recorded. And they're switching back characters from like a boy to like a girl to a woman.
So
very scary.
The company first launched MetaHuman creator tools in 2021 as a way of streamlining the process of making more realistic human characters. During its State of Unreal keynote at GDC 2023, the company showed off new animation tools to make it possible to create realistic facial animations using only video captured from an iPhone. Epic showed this off with a live demonstration featuring the actor behind the upcoming game, Senua's Saga Hellblade 2. It was a short clip with the actor speaking directly to the camera, but it appeared to be rendered both quickly and accurately. Even more impressive, the company then showed off the same animations captured on stage used to bring another metahuman character to life with the same capture. Wow. Yeah. So now you can see a glimpse here of how facial animation will look in the new Hellblade. Mm-hmm. Whoa.
I see through your darkness now. I see
Will.
through your lies. I will show them how to see as I do. I will not appease your gods.
It's the eye contact.
Will destroy them.
It's the eye contact.
Yeah. They did the eyes right.
The teeth and mouth are a little, you can tell, like something's going on.
Uh-huh.
Mouth, teeth are weird. Mm-hmm. Eyes, intensity, go before she goes like Hellblade. Even earlier. I just want to see, this here. Oh, this is the capture. Wait, what is this?
This is the fake.
Fake what? This is the... Fake what? This is video. What is this?
No, this is the computer generated.
Oh, this is incredible. These camera moves help sell it so much. The wonky camera.
Yeah. The wrinkle.
Give me audio. Is there audio?
You want audio?
Yeah. And audio and earlier. I just want to see the whole thing. If I can, am I allowed to see? Can I? No, this is video. This right here is video.
Are you sure?
Yes. She's going into character. The fades away, and then we get the capture right here.
I see through your darkness now. I see through your lies. I will show them how to see as I do.
People say it's not.
I will not
People say it's CG.
This is obviously CG.
No,
here.
the beginning.
What are they? Somebody. A render of the rehearsal. Okay, go back to the very beginning. Like, I need clarity on this, so you're going to have to click on the actual YouTube video and read the description. We're going to need to know for sure. Yeah, okay, thanks. Courtesy of Ninja Theory, Xbox Game Studios. No. And it's unlisted. Interesting. Yeah. Why is this video clip unlisted? How are we supposed to know at which point, like the way they're doing it? Because they're like, okay, action, cut, and then it fades on purpose. So how do you know? Oh, because she's wearing a rig.
Yeah, like at the very end.
Right. She's wearing a rig. vague.
But it's very
Okay. Go back to the very beginning. All the way. Just play me the clip from the very beginning. Like 0 seconds. With audio.
Sign, perf, cut, take 13.
Sign, perf, cut, take 13. It's interesting the way they framed it. They got rid of the mouth here. See that? This framing starts at the nose because for me, the mouth is the least convincing, even though it's all amazing. Mm-hmm. I mean, it had me fooled the first part, whether or not it was actually CG or not.
I see through your darkness now.
Teeth and gums, weird. It's weird. Why teeth and gums? Shouldn't teeth and gums be easier than eyes and nose? I guess not. Weird.
You're not convinced with the teeth?
No, I'm just saying that.
Are they too perfect or something?
I don't know. It's just a part for me where I know I'm in a game, like, or in a render. And I think it's the reason the first part was so convincing to me, the way they framed it, cutting off right around the nose once they got really close. Mm-hmm. Can you just give me like a still frame of the whole face from the beginning part? Like further back. Yeah, somewhere in here. I don't know. Are you going to be able to get a nice clean frame? Interesting. I don't know if you... Yep, okay. With actual teeth, though.
You're asking for a lot.
Yeah, they don't. I think it's hidden. It's hidden. Because they know damn well the eyes, the brow, the cheek is nailed. It's really good. I mean, the whole thing is really good, but I'm just saying, like, the framing here, it's curious. And then once you get into the hell... Whatever the hell 3, whatever this is.
I will not appease your gods. I will destroy them.
I mean, I like it, man. Like, whatever, it's sick.
Okay.
It's very cool. I'm just, you know what I'm doing. I'm just doing my job over here. I'm just kind of going in there and...
Yeah. Well, congrats to them. That's a very convincing video. And the first game was really good, too.
Yeah, other people agree with me. They say lips are a bit rubbery. Mouth is a problem area. Mouth movement looks animated. Some people say reflections. Teeth have reflections normally. Uh-huh. It's crazy. It's so weird. There's so much work that goes into that, the perfecting of that, and yet it's so easy for us with like such limited input to be like, that's a little off.
It's because we see faces like every day. That's why we're able to detect certain things that are off immediately. But regardless of that, and I think it's super complex, like as a screenshot, but if it's animated, that is a whole other complexity. So for what it is, I think it's still very convincing.
Also,
you and I both agree.
It's important here. Some people are saying it, like her method of acting was to exaggerate those aspects in the motion cap portion. So it may she may have been given the mandate where they said, look, you have to kind of exaggerate your facial movements, and maybe as that relationship between actor and render, people start to figure out which techniques work better and when to exaggerate and not exaggerate. And it's this weird interplay. Mm-hmm. But that's some nutty stuff.
Yeah, congrats.
Some lovely, lovely stuff over there.
So MetaHuman is basically a creator tool. Did we talk about that?
Yeah.
We did, right?
Yeah.
Okay. For like games and stuff. Okay, cool.